Guys, so firstly I'd like to start by saying thank you so much for the amazing response we received for our very first video. Also we promise that we'll be sharing quality content to the best we can, and we hope it'll help you in future. Coming to the topic of today's discussion, that is networking. I'd like to say that we're going to tell you stuff about networking that is based 100% on real life experience, and it's not something that you will find in the books or on the internet. So I'd like you to watch the whole video and tell us what you think about it. Coming to networking, by networking I mean students in the first year go and talk to your seniors in the second and third year and understand. First thing you have to do is basically understand what you thought the branch that you took up engineering is and how it's different from what it actually is. So the seniors who are experienced, and they'll definitely tell you what your branch is all about. And I can give you this example that initially I took up chemical engineering thinking it's chemistry based because I loved chemistry in school. I realized within 1 year of engineering that has nothing to do with chemistry. It's more to do with the chemical manufacture, production, etc. So this is why I think it's important you go and talk to your seniors. Coming to students of second and third year, you have to just directly go and talk to your final years, especially the third years, because you're in pre-final year. Next year you'll have placements, so you'll get an idea of what are the companies that actually come for placements, what is the kind of role that is offered. Also, you can understand if this is what something you want to do, or you can plan higher studies otherwise, and you'll get to know about the pay scale that your branch is generally offered, and various other perks that you get in your job. So everything about the kind of jobs in your branch, and if it matches your interest or not. So that's the thing about networking with seniors. Here I can give you an example. For example, if the CS guys want to know, CS guys in third year, I think the most important thing they have to do is they have to talk to their seniors and find out what are the things that the company wants right now. What are the big hits or the Fortune 500 companies looking at right now? Which language is in use? And you invest your time in learning something that's useful and not like, for example, if R is in use, then you go ahead spending time on that. Also, coming to the second most important resource of networking that you find in college is teachers or professors. So professors are important because this is mostly for the students in pre-final year or in final year who are sure that they want to do masters and they want to pursue masters in their particular field or any field. So letters of recommendation are an important factor in your application process, be it universities for MS or an MBA. So any professor would give you a letter of recommendation if you come across as a hardworking and a person who wants to excel in life. And this is not something you should keep to yourself, and which is why you have to go and build your contacts with the professors. It's important you let them know of your interest and also ask them for guidance. And if they see that you're capable or interested, they will not just provide you with amazing letters of recommendation and it'll be helpful for your process, but they'll also guide you with other normal stuff like technical presentations and seminars, etc. that will be helpful to you. So this is a very important factor in your academics in future as well. Technical presentations and national symposiums, international symposiums are again important because if you want to do research in life, that is or pursue masters, research is an important factor in your profile, and it will be a great add-on to your profile if you have a national symposium presentation, or if you've also presented at an international symposium will be a great thing. And this is why it is very important to build contact and network with teachers and be in their good books because they are a huge factor in making your profile the absolute best. Also, we come to the end of our first component, that is networking, as a very important factor during the engineering life. We hope you all understood something and have got a lot of take-home messages from this. And also, if you guys like the kind of content we share, please like, share, subscribe, and see you guys we'll be discussing further stuff on the importance of clubs, research, internships, courses, certificates, and everything in the next video. Aman will be discussing with you in detail. And for now, signing off. Bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.